If your green tea tastes bitter, grassy, just kinda blah, you're probably making one of these 3 classic mistakes. Let's fix that right now. I used to think green tea just tasted bad. Like, what's the deal? Then I made a few tiny changes and my tea was smooth, a little sweet, and I got kind of addicted. Mistake number 1, using boiling water. Boiling water scalds delicate leaves and drags out bitterness. Quick fix: cool to about 160 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit before pouring. No thermometer? No worries. Wait 5 minutes after the kettle whistles. Perfect temp. Mistake number 2, brewing too long. Overbrewing equals harsh taste and lost antioxidants. Sencha, 30 to 60 seconds. Tea bags, 1 to 2 minutes max. Matcha, don't steep. Whisk with hot water until frothy. Mistake number 3, not measuring tea or matcha. Too much equals bitter. Too little equals weak and grassy. Loose leaf, 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces. Matcha, half a teaspoon sifted plus 2 ounces hot water. Now why bother getting this right? First, way better flavor. Taste the natural sweetness and even some umami. Second, more antioxidants and L-theanine for focus and calm. Studies back lower temps plus short steeps, not boiling long. Bonus, less waste. No more tossing bitter cups. More leaves, more tea bags, more waste. Still think green tea should be bitter? Nail the basics and you'll get it. You don't need fancy gear. A few tiny tweaks and you'll love your cup. Quick cheat: kettle whistles. Wait 5 minutes. Steep. That's it. Ever scalded your tea? Drop your worst mistake in the comments. No judgment here. Want more zero shame tips for better tea, better skin, better energy? Hit subscribe and join the Steep Squad. Your next cup is about to get so much better.